different positions and I'm paying for eba ababe failure buzapenyi.
Wow.
Now me catch you say former former administrative manager of Asante Kotoko. Administrative manager at the Asante Kotoko. Miaminia Richard Ose Akutu. Diametian say the new CEO I say or the a new admin ebeba Asante Kotoko. It is Asante Kotoko administrative manager position, you know. Minima da say already thing at the Richard or Sakuto a different role, but head of administration, the American Kotoko, I be appointed new head of the administration. That is something that you could you bet me at the 17 at the Atuja.
The fella man.
Kabiru Mame, Mr. Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi. Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi. Ebaya Asante Kotoko administrative manager. And Nanayo Amponsa. Tinana Amponsa management or the Bayer Juma Asante Kotoko. Nipa bakwa no dimutintimai na Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi. Na Newton Dasuberi no. Ansana na Amponsa call ya. Osabeka IMC no. Na supporters no don na Amponsa no don bru. Za time so your call ya. New management by mo fan account na nkofo asate na e normal e okotoko dum o te kotoko ase e normal na nkofo twa na papa afi all the people who used to love him no mu nyina be turning against him simply because em said na Amponsa ni ndin so ya adwuma ni biem ye din o e na opanyino e be ya Asante Kotoko adwuma eti IMC a His Royal Majesty appointed here no Soba Cabs upon IMC in Shasiano. Then an up in Clackwes Yewa, chairman of the IMC.
Yeah.
And I'm far Prosper Nete Ogum. No, the technical person on the Bay Tuno. James Kwesiapia,
the living legend.
And Afi Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi.
Yeah.
Now last season, Anna Dasuberi. Any appointment be our calf of Japan. And was saying new Laquine. Sir, when you do be our Confederation of African Football, and unti onya Kotoko no ankoy, but biana said you see, I had the biana and quanquesa.
Yeah,
and a yura a man quine. But Asante Kotoko, you met back at say, and you might be beer. I am see no more, yeah, a year administrative works, a year player registrations and some day. May I wear say Minia Richard Sakutu. He was always in constant touch with opinion di Eddie Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi.
Fantastic.
I was just made say board no some person de Newton Dasuberi as I ever back to Asante Kotoko.
Hey, what we can for Jumana?
There be onye Emmanuel Newton Dasuberi. They made say board no enkobo di mu no.
Wow.
Oma di din koma am na be say sa branch no be say nya kwan ababiem a be in massively to the benefit of Asante Kotoko. So Newton Dasuberi say oba back to Krobia Asante Kotoko. And so ade ba ko a abusua eno so ewo ha metumi de ho nsem na ede ama.
The fella man.
Abusua prince am example.
Richard do Pepe shall raise the fella man.
Ye does ko say dia na nya wuram.
Nice one.
Na me de e call Uganda. Uganda. Eho ena abusua me de wo ko. Ye ko Uganda ne akoye adwuma.
Nice one.
A branch be 26 years ewo Uganda. 3 seasons ago, he was linked to 3 Ghanaian clubs. In fact, season na Kotoko Ekofa Stephen Disi Mukwala no.
Yes.
A branch we na oye ahead of Mukwala in terms of Kotoko search no.
Wow.
Kotoko settled on Mukwala because Kotoko enya Mukwala on a free transfer.
Yes.
Some catch us out is a Ghanaian club be akofa player free outside aba fashion utrim say free say you could top player you the 100,000 200,000 50,000 you could top player there your clubs didn't need sa ahoden no enti Stephen Disemukwala buy ahead of this particular player Japan.
Okay.
Now a player and can no see academy KCC Kampala Capital City Football Club. Kampala Capital City. Kampala has a one I Ochaya unim Joseph Ochaya Ochaya badota keke zaponta yeah Joseph Ochaya
yes
Ochaya so bolo na say Uganda for nkwada na hu say wo de wanyi kire mo Ghana ha
aboa
na especially ubo Kotoko u profile back home no wasoro pa
yes national team call up them more
because the rate no mu is a value Kotoko themselves that didn't value themselves to that level. Eastern Europe body of Japan omu rate Kotoko pa o omu rate Kotoko pa abushaya ka say abranche ni din at the Charles Luanga. Charles Luanga. He was born on the 2nd of February, the year 2000.
Okay.
Or a typical center forward. Typical center forward. Number 9, prima punta.
Yeah.
Or a goal poacher. You shall share goals consistently and for a goal machine. To a goal machine. And no be a branch at the thing at the Charles Luanga of Japan.
Feels like a dream, feels like magic.
Luanga of Japan. Charles Luanga or a national team player.
Wow.
And the cranes of Uganda.
Ujinam.
And our Chan team no on the number 1 striker.
Nice.
In fact, the last Chan tournament unza ne country no final. Uganda for a final of the last Chan tournament. And no number 1 striker. I have branched at the Charles Luanga.
Fantastic.
A branch and some catchers say DJ China Chronzo no for FIFA registered agents no. Meso much from there.
Yeah.
Is my chance ya me ye ho adwuma Japan.
Nice one.
Na many agencies no edin komo pa. Many omo din komo. And me busa about a branch at the Charles Luanga say me call omo league no check players omo ye free na Japan say adwuma za na no.
Sure.
Enti ti say ye season ya e beba wie nyame adoma after FA Cup no. Agents of Africa no mo check profile of players about ha no.
Yeah.
No much more especially ye go kin ni ma. No akohe bi okese no kra. Season be wie o free. E bia we ti say no much as e din komo.
Yeah.
A branch did the Charles Luanga of Japan. May catch now on authority say he's been offered to Kumasi Asante Kotoko on a free transfer.
Wow.
Charles Luanga.
Fantastic.
Now Charles on ni club no. Anya a little bit of misunderstanding.
Oh.
On person extend the contract. No so I just say on extend it.
Oba Kotoko.
And on decided say say dey on the better nche.
Oh.
Enti Japan this season was 5 goals.
Okay.
But we bought 9 games. 5 ring now so a sub. You deliver a sub no ashe. And almost supporters the pressure to coach say sebi ze munu be na yi. A branch order the tranchana the ba no abeshe. Still a player. Even though on person be sign but fanabody no so.
Yes.
Empen was there be. On man bonus say ne value no ekosoro. No so ra free a. Enyo mo platform no be ma no. Ama Charles Luanga. Asore e dia ko free. Am Japan.
Yes sir.
Enra. Game a ekosoro. Na Neck FC ene ne side Villa for no abrante de Charles Luanga supporters ni ye dede good coaches on starting no or starting na on the 10th minute and auto atletico game
Fantastic.
and the stadium more
Wow.
sɛ supporters ɔmo yɛ ana de bam na sɛ fa na ɔmo ani agye no ɔmo yɛ dede o
Sure.
ni agency no a wɔfa no sɛ ɔmo de ne bɛma Kumasi Asante Kotoko
Wow.
asɛm yi ma kyerɛkyerɛm sɛ bɛpɛ nya fira mbɛkyerɛkyerɛm bi deɛ nti a ɛyɛ na agents ne pɛ sɛ ɔmo de players no ɛma Kotoko no they feel that the Kotoko platform is huge and sɛ the player no ɛba Kotoko ɛbi ana sikasɛm no ordinarily or a player ɔmo ɛbɛpɛ between $5,000 and $8,000 a month ɔmo ne sɛ kurom ɔmo nya
Yeah.
etu de fa no kɔ Kotoko some man 1,000 or 2,000 de minim but they believe that ɔba bɛ wɔkɛ ama either sɛ Kotoko bɛtɔn ne nya sika anaasɛ bɛduru ne 2 years ne deɛ na branch no wɔ establish a bigger contract ɛbɛba ɛde ama no the name is Charles Luanga na abusua
Yes, sir.
mene wo ka sɛ 3 Ghanaian clubs aside Kotoko the preferred destination of the agency di ɔmo nya ɔmo de Charles Luanga ɛbɛba